Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, Sorcery Fight. In this anime story, there are some monsters, yokais, they do some bad stuff, and some humans with supernatural powers, they try to stop those yokais. As for our main character in this anime, at first he was just a normal human. He was a normal human but super powerful for some reason. So after that, our main character found a cursed object in his high school and something happened, and while trying to save his friends, he ate that cursed object. And that's how our main character got a cursed power. So the cursed object he ate, there are 20 of those. He have two choices. He can die now, or he can eat all of the 20 cursed objects and die after that. What our main character gonna do and how that's gonna change his entire life? For to know that, you have to watch the anime. Pretty good one, try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Wasteful Days of High School Girl. So this one, it's a school comedy anime about few high school girls. Our heroine in this anime just started attending a high school, and there she found out two of her best friends also in this high school, and they are in the same class. So now in this anime, our heroine was thinking about getting some popular guys, but then she realized it's a all girls school. As for this anime, it's all about our heroines and few other girls and all of their comedic things. So there is nothing much to talk about this one. It's a purely comedic anime. Doesn't really have that much of a story to talk about, but a good one. If you like comedy animes, try this one out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Just Because. So starting in this anime, our hero came back to his hometown again and started attending the high school there. So our hero used to live in the city before his parents got transferred. So now he is back and he meets one of his best friend in the school again. And other than that, our hero used to love a girl in his childhood, and he meets that girl in this high school again. And he found out that his feelings for that girl haven't gone yet. So now our hero is still trying to get close to that girl. But in the meanwhile, our other heroine have kind of fallen for our hero. So other than our hero's relationship in this anime, you will able to see our hero's best friend's relationship too. But as for them, they don't really have much time left in the school. So they are in third year, so they're gonna graduate soon. So after graduation, they might not see each other ever again. So whatever our main character does, he have to do it first. So it's a good romance anime, you could try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Arifureta. So in this anime story, our main character with his group of classmates gone to a dungeon, but during a fight, someone betrayed our main character, and after that, they also left our main character to die on that dungeon. As for him, while trying to survive there, he was so desperate, he started eating the monsters there. And also, he found some miracle water or something. That's how he started gaining the powers of those monsters. After that, our main character on a revenge mission, trying to get super powerful and take revenge on his classmates. But soon that turned upside down when he found a vampire girl. After that point, he decided to forget about everything, started concentrating on his main job, making his own harem with some monster girls. As for me, I don't really like this anime that much. Our main character is too edgy for me. But still, you can try this anime out and judge it yourself. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.